share to you the problem that I encountered on my iPad Air 2, which is the charging problem that is fixed at 2% even if I charge it for an hour. And also the second problem they found is it keeps turning off and on. So now I'm going to share to you the solution.
Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She said that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a ball. Open up, tear you out for a ball. Let your emotions fall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to breathe our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a backtop. Open up, open up. Open. Cold as ice and cold love. Open up, open up, open